Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because if you never subscribe, you did miss. Go subscribe. My people, I want to give advice to our men. Our men will be say this traditional thing. I'm a traditional man. I cannot do anything. Now my wife's supposed to do everything. Now I want to talk to today. If you marry, you don't say the woman are ask girl, or you want to use the woman turn to ask girl for house. I beg men, one of the help our women. We not use work they finish them because we not marry them. If you not help your woman, what you gain? Who you want to help? Now another person for our side. Help your wife. Now your wife. So me just only the woman will come cook. You go come wash plates. You go come do everything for us. You go just sit down for sitting room there. Even though say you dey work, it means say me you know help your wife. Help your wife. Help your wife do something. The girl will make me the talk, because again one a woman, they say his husband, you know, they help her to do anything for us. Even if they are picky, can't even they notice her. If picky was even forced to tell him, mama say, why be say papa no they help you? Why be say now only you one they do everything for house? The in they see and say papa go just sit down, cross his leg, only you one go they do everything. Now the woman say no, he come back, they say no, they help me, oh, if they help me, say no, you know they help you. You can't even tell him, mama say now some marriage be. Maybe if you don't grow up, you don't go marry. And what did this guy use the man tell him mama? And mama go tell her say no, all men not be the same, oh, I beg. May you no reason like that. See, they help me. Whereas this man, you know, they even help her do anything. Only she go do everything for house. This man go just cross the leg, he go just lie down. You know, good. At least people say they help our wife for house now. Not be only she supposed to do everything. If your wife they cook, you see the wash plate for her. Now your wife, not let your friends tell you, say how you go to help your wife, this, that. Like seriously? Says who? Where the Bible day where the photo can say you don't feel help your wife? Where if you read that way, where the talk say you don't feel help your wife? Help your wife is your wife. Not even though your friends come me to say you they wash plates for your wife. Now your wife you do it for. I don't know why some men go they shame. Oh, you go say you want me a friend come sing as a woman rapper. Like seriously. You know what they do for your house? That your friend where they advise system, you know, help your wife. You know what that if you don't come up for the night, they able the wife go to send a message like small picking. You know, you follow the sleep house. More not they use on our friend. They say my friend, my wife they do everything. No use your that one till they compare your own by dear. Help your wife. Help your wife do things for house. If your wife tired, help her go picking for school. Not 12 for born up together. Not 12 for born am. Not be only she. Yeah, this one I just advice to our men. Our men the two they do this. Especially the some Benin men. They go say I'm a traditional man. I cannot help my wife. Says who? Now Europe want for do tradition. If you be traditional man, why you can't use the same bedroom with your wife? Because Europe they don't they build a house where they can't put separate bedroom for man or put separate bedroom for woman. Now one bedroom everybody they use. Why you can't use the same for your wife? If you be a traditional man, if you be real traditional man, why you can't use them with your wife? I bet your wife not the see flower again. So I don't know beyond for the year all those ones they say I'm a traditional man, I cannot help my wife. Now so some day they want to go with their women because they say it gets some play where you want to follow your wife play. Now your wife follow and play any play where you like is your wife. Some men go say I'm a traditional man, I cannot do this one with my wife, I cannot do this one with my wife. Like seriously? Tradition you get for inside bed? Hey, nothing will not go here for African people, African men, but this one move them. Where be say this they not civilized, really. They not see wise, even when they see come Europe, they see they behave like all those local men. They see they behave like all those local. Even African men, they can't even see get sense pass on men where they Europe. They can't even see get sense pass on men where they Europe. To jogo do again with your wife, you go say I'm a traditional man. If there are some play where you no go fit play. Now your wife. But your wife go fit play with you as he like. Even now make we say some women go to die in silence for marriage, even to jogodo with their own wife. The man, some men just dey after they don't satisfy their own self, you no go even remember whether your wife, because if your wife go tell her say I don't satisfy, go say it too spoil. Your own wife too spoil. You don't go fit tell you how you feel. You don't know say suppose man and woman they discuss together. They say sweetheart, I even today after ever since we do the jogodo, I hope say you the enjoy am like husband and wife discussion now. But I don't know how some people they take the thing though. You can still discuss with your wife. Maybe if you be say your wife go still tell you say see where you for wrong go. They ever since if I tell you say they enjoy am, they lie to myself, I know they enjoy anything. You say really now you know they tell me so that you go still learn from there. Okay, there are one girl where be say I hook up. He say the guy they jogodo with him, he know they enjoy him. You know I say tell him. He said no, she don't want to tell the boy because if he tell the boy, the boy if he call the feel bad. Now I said no, you don't go feel bad. You don't go feel bad. He said before you pull your John Thomas, you don't throw away the start play water. Now I said maybe he not sabi. Maybe because not be everybody sabi this thing at school. You understand? For him might now if he say in they do well, but he no say he know they do well. Now say then you tell him. Or if you still get any idea, if you see teach am, woman they teach man. This jogodo of it now, it be like school where be say you know go fit graduate. You understand? Different style go they come out every day. There are some parts where be say you not still good, the guy go still good. There are some parts where the guy go still good, you not go still good. You understand? Then we they learn every day. You go tell them. There are some parts where you go still good, the guy don't go still good. So we they learn every day. So if your partner say you know they try, you tell them. Not be the one where be say you don't go talk, you they die in silence. That make this say some women where they husband ask, they can go they cheat on their partner because of you know they satisfy them. You understand? And men, any woman will tell you say you not satisfy them, not be say you can they look the woman say spoil all those things. Check yourself very well if you really did try or not. You understand? Or I felt talking for one of my brothers. Say be sweet things, see the cause am. You understand? If people say sweet things where they take, you see they cause all those things where be say some men before they just go those small, they don't throw away the sample water. So maybe now waiting you they eat, now they all those sweet things, or you be mad when be say you know if you control yourself as you just take calm and as you just take it through for ground. You understand? So now see they cause all those things. And woman, if your man not they satisfy you, tell him instead of you to say now to come go they cheat on her or come go outside, then will come to your mind. You understand? It could maybe they talk about feelings out, because if you not talk your feelings, your partner not go know. Like that one will be say I woke up with. If the boy not they try, tell him he say she not go fit talk because of her. You don't want to make the boy vex. You don't want to make the boy. Why you not go tell him? Why you if you say the boy go vex? You not go vex. If he vex now you can't know because you tell her the truth. What about if you can't live and you can't go meet another woman tomorrow? The same thing. The same thing. You not go say tell you like they don't want to be say no your talk. You go be true go the shook. You go the shook. This cucumber. You join two together. The shook and beside body because of you not satisfied. You know better pass say he tell you. Suppose that boy, that girl tell that boy, maybe the boy for tell her say okay, make you try second round, but he not tell him. He go inside bedroom go the shook cucumber for his side body. That one a good thing. That one a good thing. So my people, I beg, maybe we talk our things out. And some of our women too, we be say they know the need for their body. The your pass man like this, the body go the smear. A woman supposed to the neat, as in bath, clean yourself very well. Not be say man want to go with you, go the yes or kind order for your armpits or your makeups go just the smell. No, which man go hear that kind of order? You go one near you. use deodorant, wash your body very well. Go buy that soap that they wash body. Although doctors say you good me use ordinary water, wash them very well, clean your body, because breeze not the enter there. So that to wash them well, so that if the man enter, you go they feel some kinds good smell for your body. Not be say man go just near you, or your body go they bring out the smell. You can't expect make the man can't shook you John Thomas for there. When you come shook John Thomas John and every smell come past Joromi self. That kind of smell fit even kill fish for a river. So I beg, may we see the need ourselves. And some men too, more than see the need to ourselves. Some men not the need. If some men you put their bosses person go, everybody go just run. See they wash your body very well. If you don't see your boss has done the smell, it don't dirty, not wear them. Obviously, you wear smelly boss has go meet woman, smell you can't go with you. If the woman come run for you, you say the woman na bad person. If our partner, now the two people that they talk to now, if you say your man he gets odor, you say your woman gets odor, tell her. Now say you not go just talk at all. You just leave him. You not go talk. You let the smell they kill you for there. Whereas you don't feel bear am, but you know what tell them so that make you no offend them. It's better you offend them. You tell them the better pass. It better pass than say you know you tell them. The smell will come past Joromi. The smell will come past be careful. So it's better you talk than say you know just talk. If you not talk, you know the air palm. If you can't go outside, do call. That smell they follow and they go. For our mind, because some people go say they know. Me they know. Me no know. Some people say they know say their body they smell. Me if my body they smell, me I they know. I don't need somebody to tell me. I they know. But some people go say they know. So since they know their own smell. So you will go know. You will be partner with follow and there as I bet tell them before you go carry that smell go outside. Tell them so that make it they wash your body very well. So that make it they wash that make well. So that if you give the man go they enjoy and not go they hear all those smell for the body. Thank you. So that the ministry go they go away. Not be say you know talk, the man no go talk, the woman no go talk. Two of them go they pretend to each other there like still not love each other, whereas no love because a man what if you tell a woman say body they smell, woman what if you tell a man say body they smell. And be say 12 now una they pretend to each other. And another one again, woman go say, man go say no go feel mess for where a woman dey. Woman go say no go feel mess for where a man dey. And they look all those ones like say that the two of them they pretend to each other because I don't see where a partner you go say you don't feel mess for where your woman dey or you don't feel mess for where your man dey. My people, I wanna raise that part. Any man, any woman, one of the mess for where you dey, they hide something for you. She's a pretender. You not get real love for you. And man, we go say no, the mess where a woman dey. If they pretend to you, my dear, you don't love you. How is it not feel mess for where your woman dey? Like seriously, you not love each other. That kind of relationship, you know, they last. 12 of them they pretend to each other. And what me reason you? What you think? They different for what me I they think because 12 and now one we're not supposed to the identity for each other again. So if you not the other kind thing for each other, we not love each other. 12 and they pretend to ourselves and the way me I tell reason now. So thank you everybody. So what do you think for this video? You can still leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you. God bless you people. Bye everybody. If you see this video, share them because it will help one or two person for them. So thank you. Bye.